Hi guys, welcome to Captain Bob. I hope you all are having a fantabulous day, and today we are going to expand a CH Yoke. You will need a CH Yoke, two 3/4 inch PVC pipe adapters, 8 self-tapping half-inch screws of about 3 feet of 3/4 inch PVC pipe, and some wires that are pretty skinny.
You will want it to be exactly 1 inch. Any more and it'll limit your control, and any less and it'll explode the house. After you cut the yoke, you're going to cut the wires, and you want an appropriate amount of space to work with, so about 1 inch to 1.5 inches from where you previously cut.
Just a brief pause in the program. Americans pronounce it solder, and everyone else pronounces it solder. But I want to annoy both of them, so I'm gonna pronounce it squealder.
Now, you're going to want to squealder the wires together. You're going to want to make sure that they all go to the right color, otherwise later it'll be interesting, let's just say that. Just so you know, I also have no idea how to solder at this point, so don't make fun of me for doing it wrong. Now you are going to want to put on the PVC 3/4 adapter, and then put on your trusty little 3/4 inch PVC pipe. After that, you're also going to want to put on the other adapter and screw it in. Okay, now you're going to unscrew all of the back panel screws, and please note that the 2 highlighted screws are shorter than the rest, and remember that when you're assembling. Next, you're going to want to unscrew the 3 central washers, and don't lose them, that'd be bad. You're going to want to cut the lip to 1/3 of an inch using a hacksaw or a machete. Now mount it to your flight simulator.
So it should look like this before you start soldering, otherwise you'll waste a bunch of time.
Then you're going to want to solder the wires, but just make sure that if a red wire, you put a red wire, it ends up being a red wire. So don't mix them up, otherwise your controls will be all weird, and you'll fly your plane upside down when you want to turn on the fasten seatbelt sign. That would be something else.
Okay, so I just finished wiring, and I'm hoping that this works. 9th time's the charm. That works. This works. These 2 work. And the hat switch works. Button 2 works. Button 1 doesn't work, but I don't care because I'm me. Now I just need to finish covering everything in electrical tape. Now it's time to put the good old cover on it. But first, let's get these wires all pretty. Ta-da! Isn't this so beautiful? Okay, maybe it's not, but I think it's beautiful. Now let's put the cover on. Okay, maybe now it's beautiful. It still needs screws, so I guess we'll just put those on. Screws. As you can see right here, I just finished, and it works perfectly, except for the fact that I mounted it wrong. But, yep. It's fantabulous. Before you leave, let's check the magical box of magicness. What should I call this? Leave your response in the comments. Okay, so we have what? A yoke. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to make a DIY yoke so you can save like $300. It might work. This will probably be a few months, so have fun. And customized sticker or trophy plaque. You can get this from Engrave Steve. I'll put an affiliate link in the description so you can buy your own. I think it costed like $2, so it's less than $5, and it just adds a ton of realism. Highly recommend it. And here's what that looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember that life is a journey, so keep on flying. Oh, I have this one too. Button works.